Good morning, friends. Today's topic is organic irritant poison from plant origin or vegetable origin from Forensic Medicine Department, Government Medical College, Surat. Now, organic irritant poison is divided into two, from plant origin and animal origin. So today we are going to discuss about organic irritant poison from plant origin. So let's start. Now Kingsbury have outlined so many organic irritant poison from plant as well as animal origin. So they are compound produced in or absorbed by plants which may cause toxic reaction when introduced into animal or human being. Some of the organic irritant poison from vegetable origin are Ricinus communis, Croton tiglium, Abrus precatorius, ergot, Capsicum annum, Semicarpus anacardium, Calotropis, Plumbago rosea and Plumbago gelaica. And organic irritant from animal origin. First one is snake venom, second cantharides, third scorpion venom, four bees and wasps, 5 spider. Now in today's lecture we are discussing about organic irritant poison from plant origin. The first one is Ricinus communis, also known as Arundi or castor. Arundi is local name which our farmer use and our general people also use. Grow all over India. Fruits of Ricinus communis. You see in the photograph green and spiny fruits, 1 to 2.5 centimeter long and 3 lobes. When fruit is immature, it's look blue-green or rose-red, softly spiny. But when the fruit is ripe, it's become brownish-green bristles. Each fruit contains 3 seeds. Seeds of the Ricinus communis. Its color is light and dark brown, white with yellow-brown gray marking, whole black or red, most poisonous. Now size of the seeds is 1.2 into 0.8 centimeter, smooth, flattened, oval, and the most important finding is identification for mottle surface. Now, entire plant is poisonous, though seeds are most poisonous. Now, seeds, if unbroken, are chewed or ingested, it is non-poisonous. And also when cooked. Now, what is the active principle of seeds? Now, what is phytotoxin? Phytotoxin it's look like a toxalbumin. It's a similar action having a bacterial toxin, endotoxin or exotoxin like. It causes agglutination of red cell as well as hemolysis. So, in plant, it is known as a toxalbumin. Toxalbumin, while from animal origin and phytotoxin in a plant origin. It is same a toxic protein resembling a bacterial toxin in action, cause agglutination of red cell with some hemolysis, antigenic in nature. Now seeds. From seeds there is 2 parts. One is oil which used as a purgative oil, faint odor, acrid taste, having ricinoleic acid. It is non-poisonous. While press cake means after in a factory when oil is removed, the remaining part is known as a press cake. Press cake contain ricin, which is antigenic and poisonous, which is water soluble glycoprotein, and it is a powerful allergen. Now mechanism of action of Ricinus communis. Ricin inhibit RNA polymerase, block protein synthesis, gastrointestinal mucosal cell SS endoplasmic reticulum by special binding protein which cause severe diarrhea. Now, sign and symptoms of the poisoning from Ricinus communis. Local: watering of eyes, conjunctivitis, sneezing, acute nasal inflammation and dermatitis. How local? When the dust of these seeds produce locally in eyes and during sneezing, which inhale, it is called local. Inhalation of dust produce sneezing, acute nasal inflammation, asthmatic bronchitis, pharyngitis. Now, when the seeds are ingested orally, it produces gastrointestinal irritation, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, burning in mouth, throat and stomach pain, salivation, severe abdominal pain, pharyngitis, thirst, impaired sight, weak rapid pulse, cramp in calves and abdominal muscle. Why cramp in calves and abdominal muscle? Due to loss of water and salt. Hemolysis, jaundice, drowsiness, delirium, convulsion, shallow breathing, uremia, dehydration, collapse and death. It occurs rarely. Now, fatal dose. Fatal dose 5 to 10 seed, ricin 6 milligram. Fatal period 2 to several days. Now, what is the treatment of poisoning from Ricinus communis? Gastric lavage, activated charcoal, demulsion, cathartics, symptomatic. Now, postmortem appearance. Gastrointestinal mucosa congested, softened, inflamed, erosion and submucosal hemorrhages are seen into the stomach wall from inside. Dilation of ventricle of heart, hemorrhages, pleura, internal organs, edema, liver, kidney, spleen and lungs edema. Now, most important finding, fragments of seeds are found into stomach and intestine or gastrointestinal tract. Now, what is the medico-legal importance? Accidental poisoning by children. Children are eager to eat what is this and it's causing poisonous. Homicide is rare. Iatrogenic, apply to eye, produce conjunctivitis. Now, second one is Crotontiglium, also known as a Jamalgota or Nepala. Now, physical property, its seeds dark brown with longitudinal lines, oval, no smell. Oil of the Crotontiglium are brown, viscid, unpleasant odor, acrid, burning taste. Now, difference between Crotontiglium and Ricinus communis. In Jamalgota, all plant is poisonous, including oil, while in Ricinus communis, all plant is poisonous except oil of the Ricinus communis, which used as a purgative. So, now active principle of the Crotontiglium is crotin, only in seeds but not in oil. Crotonocyte, it is a glycoside less poisonous than crotin. Crotonolic acid, methyl crotonic acid, which present only in oil, it is a powerful vesicant. Vesicant means produce vesicle when applied to the skin. Now, sign and symptoms. Local. Local as means applied to the skin. It produces burning, redness and vesication. When ingested in oral, gastrointestinal irritation, hot burning pain from mouth to stomach, salivation, vomiting, purging, vertigo, prostration, collapse and death. Now, fatal dose 4 to 5 seeds or 1 to 2 ml oil. Fatal period 6 hours to 3 days. Treatment: gastric lavage, demulsion drink. Symptomatic: morphine with atropine to allay pain and decrease secretion. Intravenous glucose saline for dehydration. Postmortem appearance: gastrointestinal mucosa congested, inflamed and erode. Internal organ congested, and also as ricinus communis, undigested seeds also present in a gastrointestinal tract. Now, what is the medico-legal importance of the Croton tiglium or Jamal Gota? Accidental, by mistake or taken as a purgative. Simply, if you use castor oil as a purgative and also present inside oil of the Jamal Gota, it is accidentally taken as a purgative. Suicide and homicide is rare. Root and oil is used as a abortifacient. Oil as a arrow poison. Now the most important, Abrus precatorius, also known as a Jacrity, Rati, Gunja, rosary bead and Indian licorice. Abrus means graceful as it has beautiful flower. Precatorius comes from precator, means to pray. Seeds are used as a ornamental beads in rosaries and garlands meant for worships and prayer. Now physical property of the seeds. Abrus precatorius seeds. Even Abrus precatorius plant also grow all over the India. Now physical property. Seeds are egg-shaped. The most popular color is a bright scarlet with a large black spot at one end, maybe sometime all white with black spot, all black, yellow or blue. Its size is 8 into cross 6 millimeter, and each seed have a average weight is 105 milligram. That's why it is used as a Rati Bhar. Have you heard about Rati Bhar? Goldsmith in a ancient time it used to measure a gold. Now, and seeds are tasteless, odorless. Active principle of the Abrus precatorius. One is abrin, second abrine, also known as a N-methyl tryptophan, hemagglutinin, lipolytic enzyme and abrelin. Now mechanism of action. Abrin, it inhibits protein synthesis causing cell death. Abrin, two polypeptide chains A and B connected by disulfide bond. B polypeptide chain bind to intestinal cell membrane. A polypeptide chain enter the cytoplasm of this cell. In cytoplasm act on 60S ribosomal subunit, prevent binding of elongation factor EF2, inhibit protein synthesis and causing cell death of the dead. Now sign and symptoms. Oral. Sign of gastrointestinal irritation, weakness, colds, perspiration, trembling of hand, weak rapid pulse, meiosis, rectal bleeding, fainting, vertigo, dyspnea, general prostration, convulsion, death due to cardiac failure. Now subcutaneously, when it is injected, painful swelling, ecchymosis, inflammation and necrosis. Now when it is injected in an animal, it is symptom resemble of those of viper and snake bite. So in animal, after injection, the animal does not take food. After 3 to 4 days, drops down, cannot move, tetanic convulsion, cold, drowsy or comatose and die. So all symptoms resemble of viper and snake bite. Now fatal dose. 90 to 120 milligram of abrin means 1 to 2 seeds by injection. Subcutaneous abrin is 100 times more toxic than oral route. Now fatal period 3 to 5 days. Now treatment of Abrus precatorius. Gastric lavage, activated charcoal, purgative, injection of anti-abrine, Swiss. Needle should be pull out, which is Swiss, which later we discuss. Oral sodium bicarbonate 10 gram per day. Maintain alkalinity of urine, increase excretion, prevent agglutination of RBC. Now, post-mortem appearance. Fragment of needle may be found. Edema at the site of injection. Petechial hemorrhages under spleen, pleura, pericardium and peritoneum. Internal organ congested and show hemorrhages. Now, what is Swiss? Means medical legal importance of Abrus precatorius. Now, preparation of Swiss needles. Seeds are decorticated alone or mixed with datura, opium and onion, which made paste with spirit and water. Now, small sharp pointed spike or needles are prepared by dipping into the paste, which is dry into the sun. 50 mm long and 90 to 120 milligram weight. Used as a cattle killer. 2 needles Swiss resemble viper snake bite are inserted by their base into holes in a wooden stick. Means a person prepare a one wooden stick from the needle's base, 2 needle use as a different level on the one end for resembling a viper snake bite. That why used as a cattle killer. A blow is struck to the animals with great force, drive the needle into the flesh. It's look like a viper snake bite mark, 2 fang mark. For homicide, needle is kept between 2 finger. 2 finger means one needle is here. So it is slapped over the person, which also drive into the person flesh. Needle is kept between 2 fingers, the person is slapped. Used for malingering. Powder seeds cause conjunctivitis. Orally as an abortifacient and also used in a arrow poison. Now next one is ergot. Ergot. Have you heard about ergotamine in gynecology? It is a plant, ergot, physical property of Claviceps purpura. It is the dry sclerotinum of the fungus Claviceps purpura. Grow on cereals like rye, barley, wheat, etc. Curved, dark purple or black compact mass. Size 0.8 into 1 centimeter, 0.8 to 1 centimeter long. Lengthwise ridges, peculiar odor, disagreeable taste. Now, active principle from the fungus. Ergotoxin, ergotamine, ergotametrine, ecbolic. Other 30 alkaloid. Now, mechanism of action of this poisonous. Ergot stimulate adrenergic receptor both centrally as well as peripherally. Directly stimulate muscles fibers. Now sign and symptoms of acute poisoning. Sign of gastrointestinal irritation, tingling and numbness, hands and feet. Paresthesiasis. Paresthesia means another sensation or sometime sensation of just running insect as and etc. Muscles, twitching, cramps, weakness, bleeding, nose, other mucous surface, chest tightness, difficulty in breathing, CVS, rapid, weak pulse, increased blood pressure, pupils dilated with diminished vision. Chronic poisoning, also known as ergotism, tingling and numbness of the skin, vasomotor disturbance, dry gangrene of the finger, toes, ear, nose, sensation of insect creeping under the skin. neurologic disturbance like hallucination, ataxia, and convulsion. Now, vital dose 2 to 10 grams, fatal period 1 to several days. Now, treatment of the poisoning from ergot or Claviceps purpura. Gastric lavage, activated charcoal, syrup of ipiac, catharetics, nitroprusside, hypertension and severe ischemic changes. Diazepam 0.1 mg per kg IV slowly for if patient have a convulsion. Vasodilator like nitrite are useful. Now postmortem appearance. Not characteristic, internal organ congested, arterial degeneration of intima, thrombus formation. Now what is the medical legal importance of Claviceps purpura? Chief cause of ergotism, consumption of bread contaminated with rye. Ergot commonly used as a abortifacient. If in a home bread are kept for a long day after expiry, you see there is a fungus formation, black or greenish. Now next is capsicum annum, chili, red pepper, mirch, means chili seeds, mirchi, seeds of mirchi. Now physical property. Seeds are round in shape, pale yellow in color, smooth surface, convex border is sharp, pungent odor or taste. Used as a condiment flavoring the food. Means for spicy. Now active principle of the capsicum annum. Capsaicin. Mechanism of action. The burning and painful sensation associated with capsaicin result from its chemical interaction with sensory neurons. Capsaicin, as a member of the vanilloid family, binds to a receptor called the vanilloid receptor subtype 1, VR1, permits cation to pass through the cell membrane and into the cell when activated, resulting depolarization of the neuron stimulate it to signal the brain. By binding to the VR1 receptor, the capsaicin molecule produces similar sensation to those of excessive heat or abrasive damage, explaining why the spiciness of the capsaicin is described as a burning sensation. आप कभी भी when you eat mirchi or chili, you have a sensation in a tongue, there is a burning sensation due to this mechanism of action. The inflammation resulting from the exposure to capsaicin is believed to be result of body's reaction to nerve excitement. Sign and symptoms: oral, sign of gastrointestinal irritation, local irritation, throw into eyes, severe irritation, lacrimation, burning pain and redness. Fatal dose, non-fatal. Fatal period, none. Treatment: local bath in vinegar or ice cold water. Oral sucking of ice cube or sips of ice cold water. Medical legal importance: robbery, throw into ice. Have you seen so many times in movie as well as in news? Throwing of chili seeds or powder of capsaicin is thrown into the ice. Torture: powder introduced into genital organ of male and female. Also known as a Hyderabadi Goli. Now next one is semicarpous anacardium, bilva or marking knots. Physical property: color black, it is heart shaped with rough projection at the base. You see in the image there is a rough projection at the base and it is looks like a heart shape. Irritant juice in thick cellular pericarp. Color brownish, turn black on exposure to air. Oily and acrid. Now, why it is known as a marking nut? Before few years ago, it is used by washermen to mark the clothes. That's why it is known as a marking nuts. Now, active principle. One is bilvanol, it 15 to 17%, and second one is semi-carpol. Now, effect, it produce hypoglycemic, nephrotoxic, anti-spermatogenic, and CNS depression. Now, sign and symptoms, local. It produce when the juice is over skin, it produce irritation, painful blister, itching, eczematous eruption of neighboring skin, lesion resemble bruise. Oral, sign of gastrointestinal irritation, dyspnea, tachycardia, hypotension, cyanosis, absence of reflex, delirium, coma, and death. Fatal dose 5 to 10 gram, fatal period 12 to 24 hours. Now, treatment. Gastric lavage, demulsion drink. Extremely wash with lukewarm water containing antiseptic. Now, postmortem appearance. Mouth and throat blister due to local application. Stomach congested and inflamed. Now, medico-legal important. Accidental use by quack. Homicidal and suicidal is rare. Non-judicial punishment for infidelity. Jews introduced into the vagina. It is in an ancient time during a local king or locally used for punishment for infidelity. To support false charges of assault, it is applied to the skin. Why? It is lesion resembling bruise. For malingering, juice applied to the eye and produce conjunctivitis. For procuring injury, throw on body. For criminal abortion, applied to the cervical OS. Now, calotropis, akdo or madar. It is also grow all over the India, and all of you have seen on Saturday in a worship of Hanuman Dada. It is a physical property and having a two types. Calotropis gigantea, purple flower, and Calotropis procera, having a white flower. Leaves and stem, when inside, it produces thick, acrid and milky juice. Now, active principle of calotropis. Eucerin, calotoxin, calactin, calotropin. It is a glycoside, and trypsin, only in milky juice. Now, sign and symptoms local, redness and vesiccation. Oral, sign of gastrointestinal irritation, dilated pupil, tetanic convulsion, collapse and death. Fatal dose uncertain, fatal period 6 to 12 hours. Now, treatment, gastric lavage, demulsion, symptomatic. Postmortem appearance, dilated pupil, froth at the nostrils, stomatitis, gastrointestinal tract inflamed, abdominal viscera, brain congested. Now, medico-legal importance. Use in a Indian medicine. Juice used in a criminal abortion, orally or abortion stick. What is abortion stick? The juice is applied to the abortion stick at the one end, and the stick is introduced into the vagina for producing natural abortion. Infanticide, homicide or suicide is rare. Juice used in a chronic skin infection as a vesicant and depilatory. To produce artificial bruise as a cattle poison and arrow poison. From the organic irritant chapter from plant origin, most of the poison used as a arrow poison. Roots is highly poisonous to the cobra and other poisonous snake which can't stand even its smell. That's why in a backyard and sometimes you find at the farmer boundary there is a line in a line Calotropis giganta. Why? Snake are not coming to the farm, inside the farm. They are try to remain away from the plant. Why? Because roots of the Calotropis is highly poisonous to cobra and other poisonous snake. Now next one is Chitra, also known as a Plumbago rosea and Plumbago zelenka. The Plumbago rosea is a lal chitra, while Plumbago zelenka is a only chitra. The active principle is in a root, plumbagin, crystalline glycosides. Have you seen the active principle from the plant origin having a most of the similar name, like from Ricinus communis, ricin, from Croton tiglium, crotin, Abrus precatorius, abrine, abrine, abrylene, from capsicum, capsaicin, from bilvanol or marking nut or semicarpus anacardium, semicarpol or bilvanol, from Calotropis zygenta is calotropin, from ergot from ergotamine, ergotaxin, from Plumbago rosea is same plumbagin. Crystalline glycosides, sign and symptoms, local. It produces irritation and blister. Oral, sign of gastrointestinal irritation, collapse and death. Now fatal days of Plumbago rosea, uncertain, fatal period, few days. Treatment, gastric lavage, demulsion, symptomid. In all organic irritant poisoning, there is a demulsion. Demulsion means which covered the entire stomach wall. Also, for decrease the absorption from the stomach. Sucral fat, symptomatic. Now postmortem appearance, sign of gastroenteritis, internal organ congestion, medico-legal importance. It is used for a criminal abortion. Homicide is rare. To stimulate bruise for malingering, same as a marking nut. Thank you.